Building Systems Engineering. Today I am allowed to give you an insight into our new training systems in the field of smart energies and smart building. Many things have occurred here in recent years, and I am very pleased to have our expert Heike by my side so that we can provide you with a brief introduction to what has transpired here. That means rough overview. We have our photovoltaic system here. We have our radio setup with e-mobility together. And here our hardwired KNX networking. Heike, what can these systems do? So what is special about each system? Because all systems communicate with each other, right?
That is correct, affirmative. Thus, the systems have the capability to primarily function autonomously, enabling me to demonstrate that I possess a variety of systems for constructing a smart home environment. That means I have KNX over there, which is wired.
For new construction, right?
That would be for new construction precisely, or for large objects, it is also highly advantageous.
While I possess our radio system here, which I can utilize for the purpose of renovating apartments, can I retrofit that?
Indeed, I am able to retrofit that. Both systems display the tasks I must perform, the requirements for constructing such a system. That means which components I need, how it is programmed, how it is parameterized.
We learn all. The requirements for the training profession have increased immensely in your field of expertise. Great. I now see this lovely screen right here.
What do I see here now? Is this like our headquarters, our dashboard?
Yes, this is the dashboard of our smart home controller.
Okay.
This is the one who builds the network.
Intelligence, so to speak.
Exactly, the intelligence. I program this controller via this dashboard, connect all participants, here for example the lamp over there, or the thermostat, or also the KNX devices.
All parts, so to say.
Yes, and could you please demonstrate that to me? For instance, this is our energy management system.
Okay, that is very clear. You can see exactly what is active. For instance, that the energy comes from the solar system. We have our battery, that's the storage below, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Now I also ask myself the same question, so I am equally interested in it when I am at home. We now have the situation, of course, that there are many different manufacturers. How did you solve this problem? Undoubtedly, it is crucial to choose, establish limits, or obtain the necessary components for the task at hand. But if I recall correctly, you do not provide knowledge that is specific to manufacturers, but instead offer a more general approach, correct?
Exactly. Our approach is to convey the principles, to actually convey the technology behind it, that actually if you have finished our courses, you are able to operate any system.
That sounds wonderful. That should be the goal, because later it is about the trainees, or for the trainees, it's important to install as many manufacturers as possible.
And here it is about understanding the necessary components and interfaces for integrating the roller blind box into a smart home system, as well as integrating the PV system into the same system. This enables me to determine whether the car can be charged based on the availability of sufficient sunlight. If there is no sun, the car will not be charged, and priority will be given to other consumers instead. Can be used in smart buildings, exactly.
What I am still wondering, what I know, we actually have the challenge, for example, if we have the inverter from a certain brand, that we also have the wall box from this brand. But now I see that you are using one from ABB, for example. How did you solve the problem of integrating different brands now?
We have different brands to show what differences there are. As a rule, it is like this. I have a Fronius converter here, which means it will only work with the Fronius wall box 1-to-1. But if I then say that I want to integrate another heater, it doesn't work. That means then I need a smart home controller, something like what we have here, which can also integrate the heating via Modbus. And to demonstrate that this is indeed the case, we also possess the ABB wall box in our possession to show that you can also establish a connection between both of them from different manufacturers within a single system.
Then the controller is also a bit like a gateway that brings together different worlds.
Wonderful.
That sounds pretty smart. Thank you very much, Heike. If you need any more information, just let us know. We have a wonderful system here where we can make the modern, challenging profession in building systems technology really tangible and easily convey it.